I initially did not choose DSU as my first choice. I went to East Carolina University. I'm originally from Hempstead, North Carolina, so I wanted to be a little bit closer to home. My dad was having some health issues at the time, so I wanted to be able to be there for him if he needed me. Got into their program and realized it wasn't quite what I was looking for. And when I was in high school, I had been recruited to come and run cross country out here, so I had called my mom and said, hey, I think I want to transfer to a different university. And she was like, well, you can transfer to any school that has Air Force ROTC. I got out here and just loved it. The programs that we have here are really exceptional, especially in cyber and computer science. And then at the same time, I had called the recruiting officer at dsu.edu, which is the detachment at South Dakota State, and said, I want to come out there. I want to do Air Force ROTC. I had been doing it at East Carolina. What do I need to do to make that happen? And she said, well, it's as simple as signing some paperwork. So I came out here, packed everything in my Jeep, moved 1,500 miles across the country. And then as I got further on in my time in Air Force ROTC, I realized that the Space Force was this new thing. It was kind of exciting, kind of cool. And I said, I really want to go and do that. And so I put in for it, got picked up for it, and then I moved out to Colorado Springs, completed our tech school, and I've been on active duty in my assignment for about the last 5 months or so. There were things that I got the opportunity to learn here and get hands-on with here that I never thought I would get the opportunity to do, right? Malware analysis is a big one. I haven't gotten to use it terribly much in the real world, but the fact that we teach malware analysis at the undergraduate level is just awesome. To be able to understand some of those things and how they work is great. Cellular mobile communication, right? Talking about wireless signals, satellite signals, things like that. To be able to be part of something so new and get to share insights, opinions, things like that. And then as a second lieutenant, right, I'm being trusted to do certain things that I, to be quite honest, didn't think I was going to get the experience to do. So really, it's an awesome opportunity to shape a lot of things. I really can't explain it any other way than that. It's exciting, it's awesome, and it's very cool to be able to kind of lend my thoughts to how we're moving as a service.